Securing Aws Amplify API category is crucial to protect your application and data from unauthorized access. This tutorial will guide you through the process of securing your Aws Amplify API category step by step. First, you need to understand the importance of authentication and authorization in securing your API. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity of users, while authorization is the process of determining what actions users can perform. Aws Amplify provides built-in support for authentication and authorization using Amazon Cognito and Aws IAM. To secure your API, start by setting up Amazon Cognito User Pool and Identity Pool. The User Pool manages user registration and sign-in, while the Identity Pool manages access to AWS resources. You can create these pools in the AWS Management Console or using the AWS CLI. Next, configure the authentication settings in your Aws Amplify project. You can do this by running the command amplify update auth, and then selecting the authentication provider you want to use. Aws Amplify supports several authentication providers, including Amazon Cognito, Google, Facebook, and Amazon. After configuring authentication, you need to authorize access to your API. You can do this by creating IAM policies that define what actions users can perform. For example, you can create a policy that allows users to read data from your API, but not write data. You can then attach these policies to your Amazon Cognito Identity Pool. To further secure your API, you can use API keys and usage plans. API keys are used to authenticate and authorize access to your API, while usage plans define the usage limits and quotas for your API. You can create API keys and usage plans in the AWS Management Console or using the AWS CLI. In addition to these security measures, you should also monitor and log access to your API. You can use AWS CloudWatch and AWS CloudTrail to monitor and log API access. CloudWatch provides metrics and logs for your API, while CloudTrail provides a record of all API calls. Finally, make sure to test your API security regularly. You can use tools like Postman or curl to test your API and ensure that it is secure. You should also perform regular security audits and penetration testing to identify and fix any security vulnerabilities. In conclusion, securing your Aws Amplify API category requires a combination of authentication, authorization, and monitoring. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can protect your application and data from unauthorized access and ensure the security and integrity of your API.